How to delete your current city on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your current city on Facebook mobile. First you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click this one, these three lines, and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings and go down until you find here information, profile information, this one, click on it, and here you will find this one, places lived. Just click on your city on this pen here and click on your city, and then click this X icon and click save. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.